Y'all can see we have all our ingredients here. We're about to make some Jamaican fry dumpling, just the way I like them, my way or the highway. So we got our bowl right there, all the ingredients there, and let's make this crispy, amazing dumpling. The first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is put some plain flour, guys. Then we're gonna get some self-raising flour and put a little bit of that. If you haven't got that, you can use baking soda. Also, you want to put a bit of cornmeal. Make sure you put your salt. You can use sugar or a bit of honey, and also that cinnamon for flavor, and also nutmeg. You can also grate that in the flour, and the taste is amazing. Very important, guys, that you add vanilla. It gives it that flavor. Also, you can go ahead and put some oat milk or normal cow milk, and you put the water in, guys, and then you just mix the dough together and watch it comes all together. After all of that beautiful ingredients is mixed together, y'all want to go ahead and bring the dumpling to life. You want to go ahead and shape the dough, and if you have a look at the video, you can see my technique. Yeah, it's very A1. You follow this technique, guys, and you won't miss. It's very easy. Just have a look at the video. If it's your first time making dumpling, if you're a beginner, you might fail on your first attempt, but rest well assured, guys, you will catch it. If you don't know how to do the technique I'm doing, you can roll a dumpling into a bowl and put it in the oil, depending on what shape you want it. But dumpling is dumpling at the end of the day. But guys, this technique definitely work, and once you practice, you will catch it in no time. Remember to like the video, share the video, and subscribe. This is how the dumpling is looking, guys, after we shape the dough. And remember, guys, if y'all don't know how to use this technique, y'all can simply just roll the dough into a bowl. As I said, it all depends what shape y'all want. For all my beginners out there, you can just try rolling the dough into a bowl, and trust me, it's still delicious. For all my beginners out there, the way to test the oil, you need to pinch a little bit of the dough and put it inside the oil and make sure it's sizzling just like mine is right now. You see that? See that sizzle? That's what you want. That's the right temperature, guys. I normally put on a timer, guys. I normally leave the dumpling to fry 5 to 7 minutes on each side, but I'm really looking out for a golden, slightly brown color, so I know the dumpling is properly fried. This is the finished product right here, guys. Look at these dumplings. Look at that golden color. Trust me when I say this, guys. The dumplings look amazing, but they also taste very delicious. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all dumplings came out as perfect as mine. And guys, like, share and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully I'll see y'all on another video.